I'm Terrence Florie. I am in EDLD 5311, and today I'm going to be observing a sixth grade math teacher who is a brand new teacher to the campus, and I have been working with him extensively as the instructional coach on the campus. Um, Today we're going to look at his engagement strategies, how he utilizes multiple restaurant strategies to get 100% involvement of the students and check for their understanding through pieces um, in the lesson. We're also going to look at his time management skills to make sure he's pacing the lesson right and making sure that those transition times are utilized and are cut down to a minimum to where there's less downtime for the students. We have been working on that these last 2 weeks with his time management to make sure that the students are thoroughly engaged and on task 100% of the time for bell to bell instruction. Um, Being a brand new teacher, I'm trying to work with him on bits and pieces, and today is just a little more into that, making sure I want to see that engagement strategies, making sure the students are involved, making sure it's student centered, that the students are leading the discussions and the conversations, and not the teacher leading 100%. We're also working on collaborative grouping to making sure the students all working together and learning from each other, not just from the teacher. Today is his fourth period is his largest class, which is one of his most challenging classes, and you going into that period more in depth is giving him that feedback and observation, saying, okay, this is what we want to see. I would like to see in the classroom as far as engagement, student centered, time management. With time management, we also want to make sure in our district we use a thing called demonstration of learning, which is a 5 to 10 minute piece at the end of class to make sure all the students understand the concept. And with the teacher's time management, I would like to make sure that he is following along with the lesson plan to hit that demonstration of learning at the end of class to check for understanding that the students master that concept, and also throughout the lesson with the multiple response strategies. So the deal is independently done, and the teacher actually looks at the demonstration learning at the end of class after everybody's done, and then that lets the teacher know, do he needs to move on the next day, or does he has to teach for a minute or for a few minutes just to make sure the students understand that concept, get a full grasp of that concept.